Hey everybody, my name is Camilla, and I am going to take you through some of the features and use cases for subscription calendars. So, AddEvent offers a tool that is called a subscription calendar. What this is it is a way that you can create a calendar in AddEvent, add as many events as you want to it, and then share those events with your audience all at one time. So, this calendar is a way to kind of either market events that you have or have a connection to members in your membership program or whatever the case may be. There are lots of different use cases, but it essentially is just a really low maintenance way to get a lot of events onto your end users' calendars. So I'm going to start in the AddEvent dashboard and just give a quick overview of what we're looking at here. So this is the AddEvent dashboard. This is where all of the calendars live. And then in each calendar, there are events. Events can be shared individually, or if you're sharing your whole calendar, and not specifically as an embeddable calendar, but as a subscription calendar, then each event that lives in your calendar are going to be added to your subscribers' calendars. So if I go to my calendar page, you will see all of the sharing methods. These are really similar to sharing an individual event. You have add to calendar links that can be added to emails, newsletters, and campaigns. And then you have an add to calendar button that can be added to a website or landing page. And then we also have the embeddable calendar, where you can subscribe here, and then embeddable events list, where there is also a subscribe button. So now that I've shown you how you can share your subscription calendar, what is it? What does that process look like for your subscribers, the benefits, all that good stuff. So once someone shares their calendar, I'm going to go through and subscribe to this calendar here. This is a calendar landing page. You don't have to share your calendar as the calendar landing page, but here is one. And then I'm going to click Google. So it will take your subscriber to the calendar platform that they select and ask them if they want to add the calendar. So I'm going to click add, and then you'll see on the bottom here, it is fetching all of the events. And now all of these events have been indexed to my calendar, and I have the sales calendar events in my own personal or work Google Calendar. So as you can see, these are events that are in the past and they are on my calendar, and then events that are in the future are on my calendar as well. So all I've done is subscribe to the calendar, and now I have a dynamic connection between my personal or work calendar and the AddEvent calendar that I've just subscribed to. So the AddEvent user, as the AddEvent user, if I add a new event or update an event to change the date or the time, specifically the date, time, location, description, and time zone are going to be the 5 things that will trigger the event to sync. So if you change any of those 5 things, then that event will update on your subscribers' calendars. There is a little bit of a delay, but the calendars do sync. So that's where that dynamic connection comes in. You're not having to reshare individual events or notify people. You can notify them in your own way if you want, but these changes do automatically take place on the calendar. So it's just a low maintenance way to get events on your audience's calendars. Some use cases, like I kind of mentioned, are a membership program. So if you have a community of people that should have access to all of the events on your calendar. You can share this calendar with them, and then they always have it here as a way to see the events that you have coming up for them to attend. You could use it as kind of a marketing tool. If you're sharing the calendar on your website or sending it out on socials, people can subscribe to it, and then the calendar that you have shared is kind of always just there on their calendar, and it's in the back of their mind as events that they could check out, whether it's deals you're promoting or actual events, live events, virtual events. We internally use them for things like our offsites or important dates, whether it's our colleagues' birthdays or any webinars. We use all of the subscription calendars for anything you could really think of, even internally. So the use cases are plentiful. So once someone does subscribe to your calendar, as the AddEvent user, I'm going to go to my calendar page, and you can see the subscribers are listed here. They are anonymous, and that is because we've chosen to not collect information from our subscribers. But if you do, on this particular calendar, but if you do, you just edit your calendar and select information you would like to know. You can customize the information that you're collecting if you want to know how someone found your calendar or what type of events they're interested in seeing from you. If you need phone number, whatever it might be, you can collect information from your subscribers. And then just know that if you're collecting information, when you share your calendar, no matter what sharing method you're using, it will then require your audience to go to the landing page and fill out the information that you've requested from them. So that's kind of the basics of subscription calendars and just a nice little overview. The subscription calendars are available to any plan. So whether you want to share your events with your community or share upcoming promotions and deals, subscription calendars might be a tool that you want to check out. So check it out. Let us know if you have any questions. And if you do, please feel free to reach out to support@addevent.com. And our team will be more than happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and have fun playing around with our subscription calendars. Thanks.